I'm going to be showing you how to build Kafka in Honkai Star Rail. So let's start with who Kafka really is. So Kafka is a Nihility lightning character whose kit revolves around applying shock, which is a lightning dot status that deals damage over time and triggers powerful follow-ups. So she can be built as either a DOT DPS, which is damage over time launcher, or you could build it as a support DOT primer for teams that exploit shock and DOT synergy. So it's really how you handle. So the best light cones for Kafka is Eyes of Prey, which is a 4-star Nihility. It increases effect hit rate and DOT damage. You have Good Night and Sleep Well also, and In the Name of World, which will help you boost damage against debuffed enemies and attack on skill. As for her relics and ornament sets, you can get the 4-piece Band of Sizzling Thunder. You can either have 2-piece of the 10% lightning damage and 4th piece of plus 20% attack after using skill, which is a huge self-buff. You have banner ornaments. This build greatly applies Kafka's lightning and DOT damage. The main priority for Kafka should be ultimate, skill, talent, then basic attack. This ensures her DOT and follow-up triggers hit strong early. So in all of his ways, you can successfully build Kafka in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.